Today we are reviewing the CofunKool HD camera. It's a 1080p camera. The first thing I'm going to note is that if you are looking at the screen, it is not as high quality as the actual recorded video, just for the record. Alright, I'm going to zoom in a little bit on Climbrain. He's our test subject here. Climbrain is my beta fish, recently acquired, given to me by my girlfriend, named after an Invader Zim character. But here we go. So this is fully zoomed in on Climbrain and his little beta fish log. It's probably not super clear because I'm pretty close to him already. I'm going to go ahead and zoom back out. Alright, so that gives you a good example of how good the zoom in and out is. Alright, here's Climbrain coming back out. And we can see him swimming around. I just want to make sure you guys are able to see the quality of the video at different lengths. The zoom on this one is a scroll bar kind of. It fills the bar up as you zoom in and takes the bar down as you zoom out. My other cameras will have actual markings like, oh, you're seeing it zoomed in 16 times. I do like that better, but the bar is also fine. You get used to it pretty easily. I've included some night vision shots in my photos, so make sure you look through the photos. The camera is the same as one of the other cameras I bought last year. This one is more powerful, higher definition, but it's using the same battery setup, so I'm actually able to interchange them. This one came with a lot of accessories, a lot of an extra battery, and it came with a mic, which was really cool because that lets you just upgrade your audio immediately, and the default audio on these cameras is obviously not as good as it will be with the mic. One of the big bonuses to this camera is that it has a mic jack. A lot of the cheaper camcorders actually don't have mic jacks, which makes them really impractical if you're moving around a lot or doing something noisy where you need a better microphone. I've used this one with lapel mics that are wireless. It works fine. That was my main reason for changing cameras, was to get something that was capable of using the wireless cameras. I've used the remote. The remote does work as well. And I don't know what Climbrain is doing here. He's just kind of exploring back and forth, trying to see what we're up to. Climbrain is a very aggressive beta fish, so he is a personality, but you can really see his colors with this camera. I think it does a good job of picking him up. The camera itself can also be upgraded with additional lenses. It doesn't mention that in the Amazon page, but I have 3 versions of this camera, and the nicer version of this camera that I have, which is a 4K version, actually did come with multiple lenses, and I can put those lenses onto this camera. It just screws onto the front, and I did put a video or a picture that'll kind of show you how that process works. So it's actually upgradable, and it's in HD. As cheap as the price is, it's a great buy. And that's about the end of the video review. I hope you've enjoyed watching Climbrain swim around in his log, and have a nice day.